Hello, in front of me I've got a smartphone with Android 14. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your Pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now, scroll down. Currently I've got issue with my USB drive and I would have to format SD card so it will work, but I won't do it because I've got my files on the SD card. But now that this pendrive is connected, we can manage it by going to Files and Browse. If the SD card is connected successfully and is formatted in the smartphone version, you'll be able to check it by going to Files, Browse and Storage Devices. It should be available on the bottom of the list. Let's try again. Unfortunately, currently it's not working. But basically, that's the process to connect the pendrive. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.